Hi traders, so we just finished the very first day of Alpha Fibonacci Annual Trading Bootcamp 2024. Optimize your trading, your brain, your life. So just to give you an idea what played out this morning, as you can tell by our students' events. Here's a webinar chat. Welcome from traders from all over the world. From Sydney, from Maryland, from Las Vegas, from Netherlands, from many different parts of the world, traders of all backgrounds were present this morning. And what is the most powerful part? When at the end of 3-hour session this morning, traders share, thank you. And Ken had spoken in a bootcamp, very successful crypto trader from London. And Matt from different part of the world, and William from New Jersey, and Jenny from Australia, and Sam from Netherlands, and Louis from Portugal, and Tom from Denver, and Gary from Texas, and Wally from UK, saying very kind words at the end of the very first trading bootcamp day. So if you're ready to optimize your trading, your brain, your life, I look forward working with you. Simply review all the details on Fibonacci Trading website, fibinstitute.com, and you will see all the final details for one final space left in Annual Recorded Trading Bootcamp. Ken had spoke this morning. You can see his prior podcast. Theo will be stopping by other traders from all over the world. You can trade Alpha Fibonacci system on all platforms, all time frames, all instruments, or you can choose software for NinjaTrader 8. So please review all the details on website, view students' performance. Richard will be speaking in a bootcamp on Monday. Georgie will be speaking, traders from all over the world, what they trade and how with Alpha Fibonacci system. So please choose the package appropriate for you depending on the platform of your choice. An Annual Trading Bootcamp included at no extra cost for new students. So if you are not on NinjaTrader 8, package 1, saving 6,000 plus, group course included with bootcamp, private mentoring for all platforms with group course, with bootcamp, savings 9,000 plus. If you are on NinjaTrader 8, group course, the most popular option with bootcamp, savings 7,000 plus, private mentoring with group for Ninja 8 software and for all platforms, and with bootcamp savings 10,000 plus. Bootcamp will not repeat. This is the key event. I have not done bootcamp in the last 2 years, and I'm not making any promises for another one. We will be diving into your mindset. We will be diving into optimizing your trading, absolutely optimizing precision across all instruments, all platforms, all market conditions. This event will change your trading forever. Again, it is never necessary to attend. Hedge fund traders, financial advisors, beginner traders, futures traders, stock traders, commodity traders, crypto traders, option traders will be in this bootcamp. If you have any questions for me, or if you are a graduate of the course, simply send the email or call. One space left, final chance to sign up. Thank you so much, everyone. I live and breathe what I do, and I look forward to seeing you in our Annual Trading Bootcamp.